And yeah. Listen, most importantly, make sure your brown rice is thoroughly washed. Here we have some lovely carrots. Let's go ahead and clean them off. Alright. Closer. Close up, close up. Just that. Yeah, and here we go. We wash them, of course. So here we have some baked beans. Can't get them fresh without ketchup, so we'll do some of the improvising here. Shadow. It's my coconut powder. Add a little water here. I've not added any salt to the pot as yet, so at this point I'll just add it to this mix. This guy is going in as well. Some Kendall sweet corn. Make sure to wash off that preservative taste, you know, it sucks. Not a good taste. We should get more of that. That a stir. Alright, see it coming together, guys. Lovely, right? As for this coconut milk here, I don't normally have it so soon, but for this time I'll do that. Make sure to get everything out. We're on our way, guys. Yes, guys, so you can see the goodness coming together. A nice mixture of corn, carrots, pumpkin, and the works coming together. Well, I might have the next pack of coconut powder because you don't know, say, you light the flavor up. So I'm going to drop some thyme in this now, give it some more spicy flavor. So this should do the trick. Small piece of hot pepper and some thyme and a clove of garlic, guys. Make sure to sink that down to the bottom. And we are on our way. Most importantly, cover. Do now, I'll just mix in advance my next sachet of coconut powder. So you get that going. So my ratio is basically 6 cups of these for the rice, and my teacup I use like 5. It's basically the same amount of water. It's a 1-to-1 ratio approximately, because this cup is somewhat bigger than my rice cup, but we could call it 2.5 or 1.5 to 1. So basically this would maybe 1.5 the amount of my rice cup, so 1.5 to 1. All right. Go ahead and mix this guy in, because I've not really put my full allocation of liquid or water to the rice, so I save the last 2 cups for the coconut mixture, milk mixture. Right, so the coconut milk after the mixture. Oh, we're trying to get out these the ones that want the lump then, you know? So we'll try to get out the lump then. You're almost there, man. So when it dries down a little, because it won't be cooked by the time it dries down, I'll add this, and after that we just leave it to simmer, man. We'll be having tasty. Alright? I'll soon tell you the name of this mix. So as you can see, the water have subsided. Alright? And the rice is not cooked as yet because it's not time, but I'm just going to add my final portion of coconut milk here. It's very steamy, guys. And then when I cover, that should be my final portion of liquid. And you don't need to cook down after that. Everything simmer nice and spicy. Well, lots of people like cook their traditional rice and peas, right? But you don't have to always have the same old. You know, you can mix it up a little, you know. I call this my vegetable medley, you know, the veggie medley, you know, rice, you know. So, you know, we have some, you know, carrot, pumpkin, corn, and some baked beans in it, you know. So we're ready to go, you know. Coconut, mix it up just like rice and peas. You don't know, coconut will have the flavor, you know. So and of course you can see it spiced up with a little piece of pepper, and give it a little kick, you know. So I'll show you the final product, guys. There you have it, guys. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And you can only imagine the taste. Taste is awesome, you know, well decorated with some curry chicken, man. Sorry I didn't show you how to prepare that part, but this is the feature of the show, man. Let's get close up. Let's get close to these lovely veggies. Thanks for watching, man. Gets no better than that.